We're going to spend 1 week in a lovely... Yes, that's Wales. And we're going to spend 1 week in a lovely cottage. Last year we spent a week in a cottage. Year before, was it Ireland, guys? We were in Ireland? Or was it Wales? And then the year before that was Wales. This is my 3rd trip to Wales. So I'm getting used to these long drives. Before we went to North Wales, and my goodness, wasn't that a long drive?
It took 8 hours to get there.
It took 8 hours, isn't it, Kai and Naya? Yeah. What was that like? Was it like forever?
Yeah, it was forever.
It was. We've got our bikes in the car at the back.
We had to sleep.
You slept. We stopped twice, didn't we, when we went the first time? Ran about, stretched our legs. Even though I was knackered, but of course I can't stay knackered. Knackered, tired, because I can't, because I'm the driver. So I went and bought coffee. I just bought coffee just now, actually, and I don't do coffee, but I tell you, coffee really makes me go, well, that's for me, because I don't usually use it.
Energy.
It gives me energy, absolutely, Anayo. So, yes, we're on our way to Swansea. I haven't done a recipe this week, but tomorrow morning, when those kiddie winks are sleeping, I might do some bread so that they wake up, we have fresh bread, like we did last year. Do you remember, Kyan?
Yeah.
I'm going to make some fresh bread, I think, for our recipe this week. Oh, and also last Sunday I did a radio interview, so I'll show you excerpts of that. So guys, I will see you in a minute. This is JB Rose singing Vegan Mum. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And me, Rob West, with JB Rose, who was just talking to us about this very impressive music industry career.
That nobody's heard of.
They have now. So.
Well, the past year and a half, myself and my production team called 2B3, and so we were working on, I'm working on an album which hopefully is going to be out by the end of the year. And so last year, August, I unfortunately lost a young cousin of my family, and it was quite a hard year because I also lost my mum. And so it was time for us to write another song for the album, which we'll be doing. And I just said, there's so much going on, Trump, it's all crazy out there. And I said, we just got to take it back to love. And the song just kind of wrote itself, really, with what was going on, the craziness and stuff like that. And I'm a pretty optimistic person. I think everything that happens to us is for a reason. We just have to work out what it is, and it makes us stronger and better. And so we wrote Back to Love myself, Neville from TB3 and a lovely young lady called Shantae Marie. It just, boom, just made it just work. Very deliberate. We wanted a song that was timeless, and a song that whenever you felt a little bit down you could play. And we likened it to, you know, anytime you hear an Earth, Wind and Fire song, you know, however, whatever age you are, even my kids will go, oh, what's that song, Mum? September. You just get into it. And we wanted a song just like that, so that no matter whatever era, it would just kind of. Then, you know, with the whole thing, because we were going to wait a little bit longer actually to release the whole thing, but because of COVID and stuff like that, we thought this is a great time because the lyrics and the stuff within the song kind of still relates to us, you know, the lockdown, how do we get out of all our kind of stresses. It's doing really well on all the different charts. Like it's number 6 on the chart called the Urban Influence. It's been to number 1 already in the soul charts.
Fantastic.
And I got a call from a lovely man in America saying, oh, indie put the charts in America, we love this joint. I went, oh. So look, this is Rob. He is now going for the rum cake. Woohoo! And coconut cake. I want the verdict.
Coconut straight away, you get that face off. That's rum, isn't it?
Yeah, you can taste it, can't you? Yeah, cool. This is JB Rose singing Vegan Mum. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more stress.